Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Mukesh Ambani, Dhirubhai Ambani, Ratan Tata, Anand Mahindra. What's the one thing that's common among all these people? Well, they all have been successful entrepreneurs, successful businessmen, and they have not only helped themselves to become rich, but they have also created a difference in the life of so many people. So if you also have similar aspirations, if you also want to start your own business, or if at all you're already running your own business and you want to take it up to the next level, then this video is definitely for you. Because in this video, we'll discuss about the top 10 banks of India which are offering you the cheapest possible interest rates for your business loan. So without a further ado, let's get straight to the point and understand what are the dynamics or what are the factors which basically are crucial when it comes to a business loan. There are two types of business loan. Basically, one is called a secured loan, another one is called an unsecured loan. A secured loan is basically a kind of loan where you try and give a security or you keep something as a collateral on behalf of your company, on behalf of your organization in order to get the loan from the respective bank. It can be a property, it can be probably keeping your important documents or probably jewelry or anything like that which has value as a security, and in return of that you will basically be able to get the amount of money that you are required, which basically will be helpful in order to scale up your business. Now, options like secured loan definitely help you to get your loan approved as early as possible, and also the interest rates for such kind of loans will be very less compared to the unsecured loans. Now, what is unsecured loans? Unsecured loans, as the name suggests, are loans which are not very much secured in nature for the banks or the financial institutions, because here you're not giving any kind of collateral. You're purely taking the loan on the basis of your financial performance, on the basis of your credit score, and on the basis of your business reputation. Here, since you're not keeping anything as a collateral, the interest rates will be very high compared to the secured loans, but you are on a safer side here, because even if you're not able to pay back the loan, banks can basically put you under any kind of litigation or any kind of other issues, but you don't have to really mortgage any other of your important property or any other of your important valuables in order to get this loan. Now, what are the various other factors which are crucial when it comes to taking a business loan? Well, first of all, you need to have a basic understanding about the credit score. So if at all your credit score if at all your company's credit score is good, then the interest rates will come down much more lower compared to any other kind of options that are available. Second is that if at all you are an experienced business, if at all you are a business which has been there in the market from a couple of years now, and if at all you have a certain amount of reputation, then the chances of getting a loan approval is much more easier. And if at all you are a fresh new business, if at all you're starting off completely from zero, from scratch, then the chances of getting a loan, first of all, will be very tough. And if at all you get the loan also, the interest rates will be much more higher. Other crucial factors which can be an expense for you as a loan taker would be the fact of a processing fee. Here the processing fee would be anywhere between 2% to 6%, and besides the processing fee, there are different kinds of other fees also which the banks charge for the person who is looking out for a loan. It can be the paperwork charges, it can be any other kind of charges which basically will take down a couple of more percentage from your entire loan amount. And also, if at all you are applying for a loan, banks will not necessarily approve 100% of your loan amount. They will keep a margin of 10 to 30%. So if at all you are applying for a loan of amount, say 10 lakh rupees, then the bank will definitely not give you the loan of entire 10 lakh rupees worth of money. They'll try and give you a loan of say 7 to 8 lakh rupees worth of money, and they can keep another 20 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees worth of amount as safety for themselves, as a buffer for themselves, so that they can basically be able to cope up in case you are not able to pay the loan amount back on time. And besides that, one more important crucial factor which basically determines the loan application is the fact that which institution are you applying the loan from? Are you applying the loan from a public sector bank, or probably from a private sector bank, or probably from an NBFC or a small finance bank, or any other kind of private financial institution? So based on this, you'll be able to claim, or you'll be able to see what will be the interest rate for your business loan. Now, let's have a look at the documents or the prerequisites which are required in order to get your home loan application approved as early as possible. So if you notice on the screen, the number one document which you have to present for the business loan is the fact that you need to have last 1 year's income tax returns. Along with that, you should also give last 3 years audited provisional financials. Your company's financials, it should be audited, and that should be presented. Next in the list is the latest bank statements of at least last 6 months. Along with that, you need to also present your current year performance and projected turnover if at all you are running an established business. Next in the list is the sole proprietorship declaration or a certified copy of your partnership deed in case you are a partnership or a sole proprietorship business firm. Next in the list is the certified true copy of your memorandum of association and article of association. Of course, that's also very much required. The PAN card of your company or the firm or the individual, if at all you are a sole proprietor or a solopreneur as they say. Next in the list is a proof of ID, and last in the list is your proof of address. And now, without a further ado, let's have a look at the top 10 banks of India which are offering you the cheapest possible interest rate for your business loan. The number one in the list is SBI, which is offering you an interest rate of around 11.20% to 16.30%, which is again dependent on the MCLR rates. Next in the list is Bank of Maharashtra, which will charge you 14.50% interest rate onwards. Next in the list is HDFC Bank, which will charge you anywhere between 15 to 21.35%. Axis Bank is going to charge you 15.50%. ICICI Bank will charge you around 16% onwards. Kotak Mahindra Bank will charge you around 16% for your business loan. Next in the list is Corporation Bank, which will charge you around 13.55% onwards. Dhanlaxmi Bank will charge you between 12.90% onwards. RBL Bank is going to charge you between 16.25% onwards. And IndusInd Bank will charge you between 14% onwards for your business loan. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and if at all you are seriously looking out to start your own business, if at all you need any kind of mentorship, any kind of guidance, then definitely Financial Freedom app is the right place for you, because there we have the experts from different kind of backgrounds who have successfully built mega businesses for themselves and for their employees, and they have also basically helped you in this particular application by telling you about their entire journey. They are helping you understand what are the different kinds of parameters that you have to judge in order to build a successful business, what are the different kind of challenges that they face, and they are basically ready to share their insights, their experience with you, provided you become a member of the Financial Freedom app. You have to download the application to access all these entire information, and the link of this app is provided in the description box. Don't forget to give my name in the promo code and get a scholarship of ₹2,000 absolutely free. My name is Fayaz, Fayaz. And until next time, my name is Fayaz. You're watching IndianMoney.com.